Hey everybody, how's it going? So I got a quick video, some hardware, and some other miscellaneous items from Walmart. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so grabbed some miscellaneous items from Walmart. This bag is full of hardware. Grabbed another wooden toilet seat. Grab these metal spoon holders. These are just stainless or looks like regular steel. Mainstay. Little spoon holders. Picked up 3 of them. They were like $1 or something. I don't exactly remember at the moment. I think they were like $1.90 something a piece or whatever. I grabbed 3 more pairs of these sunglasses. I really like these sunglasses. I left one in the truck. They're $9.97 a piece. I like this design, and they're very comfortable to wear. But this design kind of looks like it's free hanging, and they're not. They actually have full frames. They're very comfortable. I picked up 3 more because I had a pair already. So now there's one always in the 4Runner. I'll probably put one in the Ford. Leave 1 pair in the house, or leave 2 pairs in the house in case I forget them or whatever. And then this one's just a regular molded wooden toilet seat. I think I buy these once every couple years. They're only 16 bucks. The rest of this stuff is hardware. These little kits were only $4.80 a kit. So I grabbed 2 of each. So these are machine screws and nut set. Grabbed 2 of them. They're 182 piece. I grabbed 2 of just the 178 piece nut sets. There's just a bunch of nuts, different sizes. Grabbed 2 of those. And I grabbed 2 sets of these. These are 300 piece washer kit sets. And these have the the average you can get at like Tractor Supply and everything, 3/8 by 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch washers, but it's got a lot of the smaller end washers. So I grabbed those. Another little machine screw value kit. This was like $1.90. Everything else in here are the little bags. These little bags. And I grabbed a ton. So let me pull these bags out, and I'll show you what I grabbed. It's probably, in the long run, it's probably cheaper just to go to Tractor Supply for a lot of this stuff, but now I'll have plenty for when they're needed. I usually buy bulk. I don't normally just buy like 1 or 2. I always buy like 10 or 15 or more of them. And there's all kinds of stuff in here. It's a variety of different stuff. Alright, so get the bags out the way. Alright, so quarter inch. So these are 1.5 inch. So 5/16. This is 3/8. Grab the light. Alright, so 3/8. 3/8. So these are 1.5 inch 3/8. 2 bolts, 2 nuts. This is 3/8, 1.5 inch. 5/16 and 5/16. These are both 2 inch. 1/4 inch. These are 5/16. 1.5 inch for this 5/16. 5/16, another 2 inch. 5/16, 1.5. These 3 are quarters. This is quarter, 1.5. This is 4 of those. 3/8 by 2 inch. So let me separate these real quick. Quarter. This is 5/16 by 1 inch. One 1/8 by 3/4. Quarter by 1/4. Kind of move these to the side so I can separate them a little easier. These are quarter by 1, 5/16 by 1.5. Sixteenths by 2. Three-eighths by 1.5. 5/16 by 1.5. Alright. Get these laid out so you guys can see them. These are nuts. 5/16, 3/16 by 3/4. Eight. 1/8. Bolts. 5/16 by 1.5. So some more nuts. 5/16. A lot of these are 5/16, 10 pack of nuts. 3/16 by 1. Quarter inch by 1 1/4. Number 10. Quarter by 25. These are lock nuts. 5. Over here. 3/8. Yeah, everything here is a different size and got multiples of each. number 8s. This goes here. Half by 1.5. All right. These are all the ones that I picked up. So, tripod. Alright, so picked up several packs of the 1/4 inch, or quantity 20. It's 1, 2, 3 packs of those. There's 3 packs of the 1/4 inch, just the lock washers. There's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of the 1/4 inch by 1 1/4 inch fender washers. There's 2 of the 3/16 by 1 inch. There's 3 of the 3/16 by 3/4. Number 10. There's 33 quantity flat washers. I grabbed one of those, which I have a bunch more of these. And then there's 1/8 by 5/8. One of those. There's 1 of the 3/8 by 1 1/4. Nope, there's 1, 2, 4 of those. There is the 3/16 by 1 inch. There's 3 packages of those. The 1/8 by 3/4. There's 2 of those. The 1/2 inch by 1.5 inch. There's 2 packages of those. The number 8 flat washers, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packages of those. The 5/16 hex nuts, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The hex head bolt, 1/4 inch, 20 by 1 inch. There's 5 nuts, 5 bolts. I grabbed 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. For the 1/4 inch, 20 by 1.5 inch. There is 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. For the 5/16 by 18 by 1.5 inch long, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For the 5/16 by 18 thread, 1 inch long, there's 2 of those packages. By the 5/16 by 18 thread by 2 inch, there's 4 of those. 3/8 by 16 thread by 1.5, there's 1, 2, 3, looks like 3 of those. And then there's the 3/8 by, there's 4 of those for the 1.5 inch, and then there's 1 package of 3/8 by 16 by 2 inch. this little machine screw set, and then these guys right here. So let me bring this back a little bit. There you go. So this is everything that was picked up at Walmart, including the seat over there. So all these bolts, a lot of washers, a lot of lock washers, different lengths and sizes bolts. These will come in handy, you know, if they're ever needed. And several of these machine screw boxes with some more washers. I'm going to end up taking all of these out, putting them in one of my Husky cantilever organizers anyways. But I'll probably put all the 5/16 in bolts and nuts in one container, all the 3/8 in another, all the 1/4 inch in another. That way it's just easy to get to. I'll probably take one of these labels out, these little cardboard labels, and make sure that it's in the container, and just a couple little spoon organizers for cooking. I do appreciate you guys sticking around. It's not a lot, you know, here, but it will do, or it will be handy in the future when I need them, instead of having to run to the store while I'm doing a project or something. So, you know, and all these little packages like this are 97 cents a piece. Even these yellow ones right here, they're all 97 cents. But, you know, this right here, if you're not paying attention, and you go up to the register, it's over $100 right here just for hardware. But I do appreciate you guys sticking around, checking out the video. Sorry I couldn't show you guys the the third pair. They're just in the truck. You know, they're just sunglasses. These are, not really sure what the brand is. Just says men's active wear. It's got stickers on it, so you can't really see what the actual label says. But I do appreciate you guys sticking around and checking out the video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, and my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Guess I'm tired. And top of the description below, also have an Ulsa Tools link. You guys click on that link, it'll get you 10% off your order. Ulsa Tools, as well as it kicks me back 10% off my next order. So when you guys do use it, it does help me out. It helps me bring tools to the channel. I do appreciate you guys' time. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!